Let's get this over with. I have numericals over here and there are some modules I want to import. So let's type from import integration. Let's type that, and it says there are no module name integration, but here is a module. So what Python does is it does not search in this path. So let's copy the path. Let's copy it and right click on it and go to its properties, this PC, and go to its properties. Now there is advanced system settings. Let's go there, environment variables. Don't create a user variables, you have to create a system variable and create a new system variable known as Python path. Now it doesn't matter if it's small or caps, I just like to write it this way, and then paste your path. So there is desktop numerical, and that's it, you are done. Let's close this and close the IDLE, and let's restart the IDLE. Here you go. Let's see, let's import integration, and okay, there is an integration. Now let's integrate something. I equals to integration. I will just integrate a function I dot simpint. It integrates a function using Simpson 1/3 method, minus 1.0 to 1.0. let's see, the answer should be 0 and it's 3.10, but e to the power minus 17, notice it's closer to 0. So that's it, that's how we do it, and we can close it. If you want to add another path, just simply right click, go to properties again, go to advanced system settings again, environment variables again, and find the Python path. Here it is, double click on it. You can add colon and you can add another path or something like that, or you can double click again on this and it opens something like this, and you can add new paths and paste things like that, or browse something like that, this from here. So it's really simple, it's really okay. By default, Python searches from its folder library. I'm showing you this. It will be in your program files, something like Python 37, and Python searches from, if you save anything from here, it will search from here, and it will search from the library. Python searches from here. You can copy paste your folder here, but if you want to create a custom path like the folder of your OneDrive or something like that, you want to do it that way. That's minute.